What's up, dude? How you doing, Richa Witcha? His opening range today is 59 points. What happened?
No volume.
Literally how it goes. I swear. It's just as soon as you get used to something, it switches back to something else.
Oh, yeah, that's a high volume.
Oh God. I don't know what happened. Now I gotta fucking do a mile. God damn it.
It was late. Were you sleeping?
What else was I fucking doing?
I don't know. Loser.
Well,
You just can't wake up in time. Really grow up.
oh, I gotta go right after this to the gym, pretty
I
much.
know. You're going to get your infusions.
I'm gonna go sit there and get my stupid infusions.
Dude, what happened to the nice weather? It's fucking freezing in my house.
Reason, it's fucking hot.
Dude, I feel like it's 20 degrees in my house right now.
It's 56 out.
It's at 59 degrees right now. Or it's at 59 degrees.
That's, I don't know, that's like regular.
Dude, it's fucking cold. I'm wearing sweatpants, sweatshirt. I'm freezing.
You're a fucking bitch. What is the normal yet? That's like what our normal fucking temperature is like 60.
Ours is usually no. The house is normally at like 68.
You're crazy. It's 60, I've been walking around in my underwears all day.
Dude, I swear that's normal.
No.
You are wrong.
You're gay.
Ugh.
Alright, I gotta make back my losses today.
Is that kid only cares about his P&L sheet?
Yeah.
Okay, Diego.
Yeah, sure.
I gotta break back even today. I can't take a loss.
Took a bad loss yesterday. Trapped
Bad
me in.
beat. That was a no trader yesterday. I literally don't think I saw one good setup. Like there wasn't even like a setup of the day, I feel.
No. I mean, when I took, like, I understand why I took it. I think it's just a little too jump. Oh, fuck. What did I just do?
It just sucks when you literally like bottom ticket and it just instant reverses and you're like, okay, that was fucking stupid of me. Like,
Yeah, which is gonna happen. I mean, a lot of times that is gonna be your loser, but like I just felt like even more than usual yesterday that I just like didn't wasn't patient enough.
and then I mean that's how it goes. Cause sometimes it's like I wait. Last Monday, I waited for a bigger confirmation and then I didn't get that full move, and you made it, and then I ended
Yeah.
up losing. It's so hard. It's just so.
Yeah. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. The only setup, like realistically, the best setup and the only one that actually worked out, especially from now till or like 9:30 to 11, was technically this. It was like bottom. This would be your second touch point. Comes up, traps above, and then drops at like 10:15 yesterday. That was like realistically the best one. But I don't know. Even at the time, I didn't even really see it because I didn't think it was. Well, we're going straight up. Straight up.
I'd like to take a trade today. I haven't taken a trade in the past 3 trading days.
And the day before that, it was, and that's actually 4 weekdays, right? Because Friday was a no trade day, or is that? Are you including that?
No, I'm not including it. I didn't take a trade Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but we couldn't. And then yesterday. I like literally just haven't seen anything like actually.
Well, we haven't even made a bottom wick on this 15 minutes, so I'd have to assume we're coming down here. But we'll see. It's crazy. Like, I mean, the volume's low, but the movement is still so much. Like, we're up 1.8%.
Yeah.
Oh, Bitcoin's back up to 90. And you're like back to break even on Solana.
Pretty much. I'm exactly like break even.
Let's check the crypto portfolio. Good, I'm still down from the peak of what I was at. Like 17K.
You're down 17K?
From the peak of like or from like the
Oh,
highest it was, I'm down like 17K. But
Jesus.
here we, maybe we're at the end of the bull market. Thank you.
You did say I want to sell when it hits 100K, and then you didn't.
Yeah, then I changed because we hit that earlier than I thought we were going to. And realistically, my original line was like 130. And then I started like checking some stuff, and then I was like, oh, okay, let's hold till 130, and hopefully it's around like July, August, September, June, July, August.
I'm just saying. As you said.
What did it hit? 109. Hmm. We're coming in to make that bottom wick on the 15. Did we do it? Because I'm no stranger to shame. I've got little to blame. I'm curious if, let's see. Let's see if Top Step's short here. I need my other confluence here. I'm gonna really make sure I want to go along if this makes a flag.
Here in the NASDAQ.
Wow, they're green. I don't know what they did. How many accounts are you copy trading? Like how many Apex evals?
I'm just doing 5. I just usually do 5 at a time.
I gotta buy one more. I need to get my 20th Apex account. good feeling about this. That something's gonna set up right now. Even though we do have news at 10, and it's orange folder, so medium impact. So make of that what you want.
An early trade today would be nice, because
Oh yeah.
we have to actually go to the gym early.
My two messages. The fuck is this shit? Did you get like a ad from some dude or like some DM from some dude? And from the My Fun
What?
Future server who's like opening up his own server or something? I don't know.
Maybe, I didn't see
I
it.
just had a notification on my Discord. I clicked on it. It's like, become a part of
That's
the number
good.
one Discord community. Our team of expert analysts is prepared to provide you with their knowledge. Our main goal is to help you maximize your earnings for options trading, stock trading, futures trading, penny stocks, crypto, forex, sports betting. Sports betting.
Oop, what is that in?
I don't know. It's like some guy like Niall uh, sent it to me like in like a DM on Discord, and
Oh.
it says my mutual server with him is the My Fun Future server. So.
Oh.
I can't wait for this to make a fucking flag right at 10 o'clock. I can't wait.
Is there news at 10?
Medium. Fuck, do you listen?
I didn't hear you.
I said, there's Orange Folder News at 10 o'clock, so make of that what you will. I've got little to blame. They sent me here, so I came. It look like a daily. God, I literally can't believe we were at the 16,500s like last week. Or was it 2 weeks
First
ago?
time we've ever seen it, like, all the time trading. And we only saw
Yeah.
it for like a week and then we're right back up to normal.
Uh, well, just gives no flags and rips to the top. Sick. How often do any of you guys take trades? Don't you guys like take trades every single day, like regardless, or no? 'Cause I just feel like lately I have not been
Even anyone
taking
here?
many.
Only one guy
Says
that I.
says there's 8 people. I don't know. Just asking.
uh,
See if anybody answers, but I'm just curious because I just feel like lately there's been nothing happening. Even with yesterday's trade, I feel like, or I still have more days on the month that I haven't taken a trade that I have. I feel like hasn't been the case. I don't know if I'm getting slightly more picky with my criteria, or if I just haven't been getting setups. And there's your news candle, I guess. I've been selling my soul. Work on the bay. Ah. I should start swing trading breakouts too on other stuff. Just to keep it interesting. And like my cash account.
I thought that's what you got to take profit trader for.
Yeah, and then I blew that. But no, I wasn't swing trading on that. I was just entering wherever.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm talking about like longer term, like holds overnight and stuff. There's just nothing.
Yeah, trading's so boring when you're not seeing 100-point candles.
Uh, I don't know how I got used to that so quick. Now it's just. What do you do?
I need the 1,000-point moves again.
I just don't know how people like panic and overtrade and like it gets interesting for them. Like literally like is I don't even know what like you can talk about because it's just you just sit here on your hands forever and then you just wait and wait and wait and wait like when was the last fucking day I took I think the last day I took trades was Wednesday last week. I took two trades. I think I lost and then won. What did those days even look like? There's just nothing to do. We got Wednesday. Yeah, where's this stuff? Yeah, that was come up, touch, trap below, push up, got whipped out, re-entered on that trap, and got it. But God, I feel like lately we've just like been moving in one direction.
Yep.
Like, and we just do not make anything on the way there. Fuck me, dude. Of course I move it. Like somehow people are trading this. I just don't know what they're doing. Does a fair value gap only have to be on one side, or does it have to be on both sides? Like, does there have to be no wick on either side?
What do you mean?
Like, does that count? as one or no?
No.
It's got to be like this.
Yeah. No, that's not a fair value gap either.
This is not.
Oh, that yes. Because like you don't have the two wicks from the candle before and after touching.
Right, but do you need
And
it
then
on both sides or do you only need it on one side?
I think you need on both sides.
I don't know. Because this is what I'm gonna see if I watch people who trade ICT. Are they gonna? Where the fuck is the rectangle? Are they gonna be like, oh well, there's a fair value gap here, and then something? I don't fucking know. Or they'll be like, there's a. I don't know. Probably looks different. I bought. I bought there and lost at the top. You bought where? One win and one L. Is that break even or do you trade like do you trade 1-to-1s so it's break even or you've made some profit? Plus 0.5R. It's a win. A win is a win. Have you been taking lots of trades lately or no? I just feel like there's absolutely nothing to trade. Facts? Okay. Oh, are you saying facts that the win is a win? Not no trades.
What a dummy boy.
Not too many, brother. Been waiting a lot recently. Okay. At least it's not just us. I'll Walker in the chat.
But I'm always in the chat.
Like last month I had four days with no trades, and one of those days I said there was two setups, but I missed both of them. Yeah, one, two, three, or yeah, five no trade days, and yeah, one of them there was. And this month already, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and the one I took yesterday was questionable. I hate missing trades, even if they lose. Yeah, I don't know what I did. It's more like you sit there and sometimes it just like doesn't feel right, even though like there's setups there, and then you just don't take it. Or I don't know if that ever happens to you, but sometimes like the setup is there, and you're just like, oh, I don't know, and like you're waiting for something better, and then like you miss the first one because I don't know, you're like waiting for something better, but then like it doesn't help. It just makes you more hesitant because you're like, yeah, like your intuition comes in and you're like, I don't like it or whatever, and then it works out, and then like there's another setup, and then you're even like more hesitant to take it because you didn't take the last one that worked. I feel like that happens. once, right off the pivot point. Where Tech is? I don't know. I haven't seen him this week. He's either busy or he blew up his Top Step accounts and wants to kill himself. That would be my guess. Oh yeah, I don't know what the were these volume imbalances, or I saw, or oh maybe they fit. Oh wait, no, this is ES. I remember he said he was wrong. Are they like that? Is that what you're talking about? These things, just like big old gaps in the candles. Is that where you took a trade off of, or no? I was actually interested to hear what was wrong. Just entered two buys, 949, 956, 949. Lost and then 956. So that was your winner. You entered along here. That was your loser. Is there a volume imbalance, or did you go off of something else? Should we zoom into the 955 candle, the 954? Like that? Sorry, nine. Okay, I was like, what the fuck? Oh, even this is a little one. Okay, so sometimes they're just not as prominent. 948. Okay. So you look even for little one. Like, that's one. That's one. That's one. 954. Very small, but works. What is like the thought process behind it? It's if this one closes below, then the next candle's gonna come up and take it out or something. I'm sure there's other stuff with it, but no football fanatic. There's just nothing. You picked a terrible time to start trading flags. I swear, this month of April has been so boring. Just haven't been getting any setups. One setup for me, but didn't take. What was it, Richa? What were you trading? I don't know how you trade. Would it have worked or no? I trade RSI Z core divergence 1 to 1. Uh, I like one to ones. I don't know what that is. Like I've heard of like the only thing I ever hear is like when people are like, oh, the RSI and MACD crossover or whatever, but I don't know what that means, and yeah, I don't know what Z score divergence is, but wouldn't have worked out. Or like, tell me where it is. Curious. I'm ready to start crashing out, dude. What do you mean? You're up, trader back test, and you took 2 trades. That's an exciting day. Johnny hasn't taken 2 trades in 2 weeks. Ah, I see. I see. Yeah, but Ty never wins, so I don't. He crashes out when he loses. He doesn't know what a winner's like. Nvidia already took out the high. Apple way low. ES at like equal highs right now. Mean reversion basically. Whenever price overextends, we take opportunities on the necessary pullback. Okay, so what is like the necessary pullback? Like, is it kind of like a Fibonacci kind of? Like a percentage of the pullback? Or is it based on like points instead of? Or I guess would that be the same? Like, are you waiting for it to pull back like 50% or 61.8? I don't know why that's there. That's like the golden level or whatever they say. Did I send a trading view link? Is that even a thing? Tie the underdog watch. We'll see. I said, yeah, well, I don't know. I don't even know if this is a setup. Like, realistically, I still need a trap somewhere. Like, I need this to, like, build out a mini flag. Because, like, normally I want, like, this is such a deep pullback that, like, I like to see a trap underneath this, but obviously it's not going to come way down here and then way back out, or most likely. So the idea would, like, build out a flag and then trap below just, like, a mini flag within this big range, and then I'd get in on a long, but we'll see. right at a pivot point, though. I feel like it's a lot weaker the second time. I don't really have any evidence to back that up, but does that count as a trap? It might.
I need this thing to push back up.
Maybe this whole candle gets swallowed up into a wick or something. How much watch time does the live stream get? Pretty good way to fast track that metric. What does that mean, fast track that metric? I don't really know. I'm sure I could find out. But what am I fast tracking? You need 4,000? I need 4,000 for what?
4,000 like watch hours.
Is that what he's talking about? Say monetization YouTube? Yeah, the thing is, like, what's the point? If I have fucking 10 people who watch me, I'm gonna make you sit through an ad so I can make 10 cents. Like, it just doesn't seem practical. You know, like, I don't need the money that bad that I, like...
I mean, why do you care about these fucking guys? Take all the money you can from them, Mike.
See this guy? See this guy over here? A true grade A dirtbag. This is what I'm gonna call it every day. Just a monster. No, you don't put ads in the middle? Question mark? What? No, I can't even put ads if I wanted to, but there's just like, realistically, there's no point. Like,
If
realistically,
you're sitting here not even saying anything, might as well have him watch an ad. It'll probably be more interesting.
Alright. I mean, there's another person in this call, and you speak once every fucking 45 minutes. I don't know what to do.
Nothing's been fucking happening.
Well,
There's nothing to talk about.
We could talk about something.
Fucking what? That you suck and you're a big fat loser?
Yeah, alright, great. Sick. I'd rather just make no money from YouTube other than affiliates. Because, like, regardless, you people are going to buy accounts anyways. Like, that would be a better way.
Just fucking scam your viewers.
From what? My fucking 5 viewers? Yeah, great plan.
Yeah. They're already loyal enough. They come in here every day. They're not gonna leave just because you play a couple ads.
Yeah, but what? To make 10 cents? What the fuck is the point?
Fucking scam them for everything they got. It's not costing them anything.
Yeah, dude, if I was watching some guy who had fucking 8 viewers, I'd be like, the fucking audacity that this guy has.
If they don't want to watch ads, fucking buy YouTube Premium.
Do you have YouTube Premium?
No, I used my free month. It was so nice.
So you watch ads, but you don't want to. I have Premium.
What's good, Tekis?
Oh, hello, Tekkas. How goes it?
I don't know, YouTube ads aren't really that bad. They're like 5 seconds long and you just skip them.
Yeah, but like, you have to think, it would only make more sense if you actually had a lot of people to watch. Because it's like, oh, cool, I made $1 off this stream. Like, let me see, what?
Yeah, but you stream every day.
Yeah, great, $1 a day? Dude, I do a daily dollar that I piss down the toilet
I
in
mean,
blackjack every day. I have ad blocker. 5 seconds, you ain't getting back from you. I get no ads.
I downloaded like a different internet browser besides just Google Chrome, and I don't get ads on that either. I did it more because I stream like F1 and MLB games, and it makes it easier.
Well, this just doesn't want to come up. Unless we're trapping below this. But that's a fat right candle.
What do you use, Tekis? You use that like pie thing that everyone I keep getting ads for. It's like
Interesting. There's an ad about an ad blocker. That
dude,
sounds
it's
counterintuitive.
I literally it's the ad I get the most, and it's to block ads. Yeah, he does.
Cost $9 in Portugal. What a ripoff.
Dude, you can get literally everything online for free. It's or like, I don't know.
It's just a shittier version.
Yeah, I know. But it's like I pay $20 a year, and I get every single movie and TV show and anime that I ever want to watch.
The feds are watching this. You're gonna get fucking.
But it's just like if people sit there and
Yeah,
spend that on
that is
Netflix.
crazy. Literally, you can buy an entire year of every movie ever, or like every movie and every TV show ever for $20, or you can buy just Netflix for $20 or like $10. It makes no sense.
Take my money, Cap? It's not Cap.
No, it's real.
You just can't get it anymore. You have to have a code. You have to have someone who already has it.
Yeah, you gotta be grandfathered in.
I'm great. I've had it for years, so.
Everyone's saying
I guess
Sinners
we're
is the best
seeing.
movie. Oh my god, that's
Sinners
tonight. Oh my fucking god.
You seeing it? Yes, we are seeing it today. I can't. I'm excited for this movie. Mike's gonna be shaking in his boots. He doesn't like horror movies.
It's a horror movie? How did RJ agree to this?
It's like, I don't really think it's a horror movie, but it seems like there is some horror in it. Or like
Got amazing reviews.
thriller factor, I guess. I think it got like a 99 on Rotten Tomatoes.
Oh, Trader Backlash, you only need 3,000 public watch hours. Not 4,000. You also need 500 subscribers, so I'm not there either.
It is the case.
What is
It's
that
a-
fucking emote? What is that? Or emoji, whatever the fuck that
It's
is.
fucking two guys
Nice.
in love.
It's not just me and Johnny going, that'd be gay. There's
Yeah.
more dudes coming.
There's 5 guys going.
4,000 for AdSense, 3,000 so you can have a community membership. What the fuck is it? What does a community membership do?
It's like being a subscriber on Twitch. Like you get like
Oh, so it literally gets you absolutely nothing?
pretty much.
Oh,
People
we're
still
coming
buy it.
back up here, but I probably want to see a retest off of this. I don't want to just see it rip right through. I want to see like another touch and then.
Yep. Mike needs
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I see what you're talking about. You need 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, no fucking shot. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we pay you for nothing since you need the that fat.
I mean, you're probably like the watch hours are probably the least amount of worry. You usually have like 8 people in here every single day. That's 2 hours, so it's like 16 hours a day.
2 hours. It's like an hour and a half maybe, and that's if they're there the whole time, which obviously they're not.
Yeah, but then people also watch your.
Yeah, that part's crazy. Subs easy as well.
It helped. Yeah, subs are easy if you guys like and subscribe.
No, shut the fuck up. These.
Comment on the
It's
video, help the
just.
algorithm out.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Diego. I feel like you need to care more. Like you need
You gotta be
to.
more clickbaity.
Yeah, you gotta be like, I made this is the you gotta like target towards beginners and be like, this is the only strategy you'll need to become profitable.
The most simple
Yeah,
strategy you'll ever
works
find for
every
trading.
time. Then you just cherry pick something on fucking backtesting, and then you're like, see, works like a charm, and then gets 100,000 views. I guess Johnny. I don't think that's good. That's good clickbait. And then you gotta make some gay thumbnail with you fucking being a guru and having like fucking stocks go up in the back. And you're like, hey, it's me, guys. Your local neighborhood scammer. This is.
Making $9,000 a day while being racist trading.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I still have my video cams in my basement of my mom's house. Is this a buy right here?
Just start live streaming freaking Siege. You'll get your ads. You'll get your hours, I mean.
That's my trading account. Like I day trade and then I play Siege and call people faggots.
Telling my team that they suck every single game in
Yeah,
Siege.
literally. Blaming everybody but myself. Because clearly I'm not the problem.
And then he sits there, just says that he can't aim every single game.
I can't aim. It's like I got the knowledge, I just don't have the skills. I might get fucking trapped here, but if this actually I want to see a bottom wick on this candle at least before it pushes up. Mom's basement making what is it? What did he say? Mom's making 3,000 in 2 minutes with Walker. Yeah.
Too bad you're not a girl with fucking big tits, so you could just be like, that could just be your clickbait.
It is unfortunate. Just have my giant jugs as the fucking, and then just I can sit there and pretend to pick stuff up. All stream. Be like, oh no, my pen. I dropped it over there again.
Did you get in there?
No, I wanted to see a bottom wick on that candle first. Did you get in?
Yeah, I got in at like 93. But, oh.
Johnny's just banging
I'm in
through
right
it.
now. I'm in at 93, so.
He's in here. That's his. Oh, close. Fuck, man. Nice.
Ugh.
Son of a bitch.
At first, it wasn't looking good. I didn't like that it pulled back so far, but that was your pullback. Yeah. You said you wanted a pullback. It freaking pulled back all the way to 85.
I know. I said I wanted the bottom wick, and then it didn't happen, and then I didn't get in.
Oh.
God damn it. Oh, well, Tyrone. Trader Backtest is gonna nut because he loves you. God damn it. Hello, everyone. Did you take any trades today, Tyrone, or are you still on your break? He's gay. Yeah. Gay? Yes, one loss on Apex. Oh, you're trading an eval instead of your cash account? No more risking my own? There we go.
He's learning.
Yep. See? If I had affiliates,
Tyrone,
I would have
pay
just
me
paid 15%.
$50 and I will teach you.
Yeah, shut the fuck up. See, if I had affiliates, I could have got like 15% on that. Look at my recommendation to Apex.
You say that it sounds so scammy, but like think about all the times he's probably put like $100, $200 into a cash account and just blew it. And like it's the same thing with like Hustlers University when everyone's like it's such a scam and stuff like that. It's like they probably save people so much money.
What?
Just like giving them an actual like direction.
Yeah, I agree. I don't like you. Sorry, only cutie Mike. Oh, thanks, Tyrone. That makes me feel good.
It's so funny that you have people beefing in your chat.
Who's beefing?
I feel like Tyrone and Backtest don't like each other.
What? Hold on. Tyrone is homophobic and Trader Backtest is in love with Tyrone, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Tyrone doesn't. I feel like Tyrone's not a fan of Trader Backtest.
Oh, he's not. God damn it. I got too greedy. I wanted one more confluence. I wanted the bottom wick put in. I thought we were gonna go. I thought we were
Save
gonna
your
go.
P&L.
What'd you say?
You were trying to save your P&L.
Yeah, I'm still trying. I hate seeing red. He okay, just racist annoying. Just racism annoying. Oh wow, he doesn't like Tyrone. Doesn't like racism. Tyrone's definitely.
You're in
black.
the wrong chat.
Yeah.
Wait, he's from like, where's he from? Cape Verde or something like that?
No, he's not from fucking Cape Verde. He's from somewhere in Africa.
That was Cape Verde.
Was it Cape Verde? That was like Kenya. W Tyrone. Ty no more. Yeah, you're gonna stop being racist? Yes, John. Oh, what's Cape Verde? Wait, no, I said fucking Kenya. Yeah, it's Kenya, not Cape Verde.
Dude, he's not from Kenya.
Yes, he is. He just fucking said Kenya, you idiot.
Did you win the Boston Marathon? Can you
Nice.
run like all those other freaks?
No, I was laughing. Kenya sucks. Oh,
Yeah,
not
he
Kenya?
is from Cape Verde. I'm telling you, he's from Cape Verde.
Fuck.
Literally, I know your fans more.
Fans.
What else would you call them?
I don't know. Those guys who watch. Alright, make a fucking flag here. Trap below this fucking wick and then.
We have no paper towels and I'm making a mess.
What is that? Mikelets? Oh yeah, you gotta come. Isn't that what you gotta do? You gotta come up with like. Yeah, you're like, hey, what's going on? The low gang's here. Like you gotta come up with a name for him. Oz, how's things? Things are bad, very bad. Oz, I didn't take the one trade that was kind of setting up, and then Johnny did, which makes me feel even worse because then it won. I was hoping it lost, unsubbed. Yeah.
So,
But
since
here's
I
the
won
flag here.
and he didn't, come join my YouTube channel where I live stream.
Every day.
I'm taking all your fans.
No, we both know you're too fucking lazy to do anything.
I just don't want to sit there every day and have to talk because I don't do anything while I'm trading. And
Yeah,
most of the time I sit there and I'm just watching YouTube because nothing else is going on.
Oh, we're not getting another pullback. Fuck me. No, he doesn't actually have one, Tyrone. He's too lazy. He said he was gonna make one, and then he's like, "No, I'm not. I'm not making one." Same thing about him journal or like writing down his trade P and Ls. The same thing about him tracking his expenses.
You
and
did that. I never
costs.
wanted to do that.
What?
Write down my P&Ls. I never cared about journaling. I always thought journaling was stupid.
Well, that's not really journaling. Literally just tracking if I made or lost money. Journaling's like, oh my god, I felt horny when I went into this trade today for some reason. Like, Cape Verde sucks. It was so random. Uh,
I don't know. I just don't care what I did in like weeks before. I just care about like current P&Ls. Everything else does,
look back and see
doesn't
what
really matter.
if I want with them winning or lose. Like, it's nice to be able to look back and be like, okay, I have like a 70% win rate. So no
Yes.
trades today then? Nope. Nothing. Lazy
Most of
ass.
the time, your accounts just if you go on the accounts, they say it anyway.
Yeah, but I don't have to go on the accounts. You just flip open my calendar.
Exactly.
No, I don't understand journaling in like the traditional aspect of people. Like, you have to journal your trades, and they fucking like screenshot their trades, send them into like some separate fucking Discord by themselves, write a whole fucking paragraph on how they were feeling and why they took the trade, and mine's tracked in a spreadsheet. Like your oh, like your P and L and shit. Like, I understand tracking the P and L. I just don't understand like writing your emotions down and like why you entered. Like, isn't why you entered the same thing every single time?
Nope, because people have a fucking million different strategies.
Before and after, why entered?
Yeah, but the thing was we enter on the same thing every single day, so.
Right. It's like, all right, I fucking wait for a 2 touch point flag and a sweep, and then I fucking enter. Like, and like I'm never gonna be like, oh, I took this trade randomly, and it just doesn't happen. For you, that makes sense, yeah. Like, I don't need to fucking sit there and be like, okay, I entered at the CISD fair value gap, changed fucking turtle soup, liquidity sweep. You ever trade weekly bias? Oz, I literally only look at the 1 minute. Not even the daily bias. Like, why would I care about what's happening on the week when candles are just gonna print? Why do I care what happened last week if I'm trying to get 20 points? That's what I just can't understand people's like if I was swing trading, yeah, I would be looking like further out, but it's like, all right, I'm trying to catch 20 points with this, which is realistically a fucking blip in the Nasdaq. It's like, how does last week's price action help me with that?
Whatever your trading, like, since like your trading time frame is like we trade 1 minute, I think you should only trade 5 times, like look at like 5 times, what your normal trading time frame is. So it's like if you're trading a minute, you should only be looking at the 5-minute max. And then if you're trading off like the 30 minutes, like only look at like 2 hours, 3 hours back. I feel like if you look anything past that, it just does not matter at all.
If you don't trade the 15-second, you suck. I am hedge fund. Literally, that's what the kid was saying yesterday.
if you trade the 15-second, I don't know what you're getting off of it.
Turtle soup, trader backtest. That's a thing. That's like literally an ICT concept. I'm not making that up. I didn't lose my mind.
Tyrone
That's
wants my face.
That's what people said. What?
I don't know. That's what he said. He said, "Okay, wait, John. I want your face, John."
Oh, wow, yeah. I saw that earlier. Yeah, turtle soup's a real thing. They're like, this is the turtle soup. This is the unicorn setup. This is your breaker block here. Like, they have all this shit. And don't make it weird. Oh my god, Tyrone's gay. Somebody call him gay.
He is gay now.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. It's all because you don't have to sit there at the PC all day if your weekly bias is bullish. Anyway, sometimes I do because I don't want to be looking at the charts. Well, I only look at the charts from 9:30 to 11. Like, I only trade from 9:30 to 11. And then that's it. So it's like, if I can't sit here for an hour and a half a day, then what am I doing? Like, I understand that, like, more if you're, like, swing trading and stuff, you can just, like, set alerts where you want stuff and then go from there, but
It's just like I don't know how you can base your minute time frames off a weekly chart. It's
yeah.
like,
That's what I don't understand. Like, you would think you would have to be like, you'd be trading off like the 30-minute or like the hourly if you're trading on the weekly, or like the daily even. Actually, probably more the daily if you're on the weekly.
no, we
chart.
only trade from like 9:30 to 11. That's like
So
our
no, there's
we
no
give
such
ourselves
thing.
an hour and a half.
Yeah, 9:30 to 11. That's it. Take like one trade, maybe two, very very rarely three. "30 minutes and 15 and 4 hour are usually. Yeah. Like, I have these up, but I don't fucking like. I'll just look at them for like shits and giggles to be like, oh, the Nasdaq.
That's what I'm saying. It's like if you're swing trading off the 30-minute time frame, like sure you could look at. I wish still wouldn't even look at the weekly. I would only look at the daily at most.
That's like, if I wanted to swing trade, I'd probably, just because nothing would set up for me, I'd probably, like, it just takes so long. Like realistically, for what? For me to see a bear flag here, I still need this to fucking. Oh, what the
Like,
fuck?
I
Like,
the
I still
only
need
time
it to
a
go up
weekly
and
would
sweep this high, which is like, how long is that gonna, and then come all the way back down? Like, the setups are just too long in the daily. Like, I would probably trade like the 4 hour.
it's like go to the weekly, like press weekly. How big are your candles?
1 week. Yeah, I wouldn't have. My first setup would have been in 2023. That would have been my only setup I've seen so far.
I know, but I'm just saying like how big are the candles?
Well, I mean, it depends. Like, this one's probably gonna be fucking ginormous because
Yeah.
that was 3,000
I'm saying,
points.
like,
But like
look
on
at,
a
like,
regular, I don't know, fucking 1,000 points.
It's just like we can't pick out 20 points from that. It's not
Yeah.
telling us anything.
Yeah. Like, what is this? Why the size make you all insecure? What? This would have been. Look at this fat breakout. Look at this fat flag setup right here. Nice double touch. Come out. Sweep the lows. Come up. Wham. Dude, I could have caught. If I held this bad, Larry, for. How long is that? Does it say how many days that is? I don't fucking know. I can't do math. That's a lot of points, though. 7,000 points I could have caught. That great breakout, because obviously I would have held for a fucking.
No, there's no
Whole
such thing
year.
as a weekly bias because each day, like in the weekly bias, the day itself could be down, and the day, like yesterday, I could have a weekly bias that for like a long, I could have a long week or like a bullish weekly bias, but tomorrow it could still go down 2%. but at the end of the week, it's still good. It's still gonna go like up.
That's the problem with even looking at like the daily and stuff. It's like I don't know what the fuck. Like even if the daily goes, if it's supposed to go down, I can still catch a long for 20 points earlier in the morning before it goes down for the day. Like it just doesn't matter. I just care what price is doing like in the now.
Like I don't even change my time frame, but the most I would ever look at is like 5 minutes, 15 maybe. But I probably wouldn't even look at that.
Well,
It's
like
too
what does
far
the
out.
15 give me? Like great.
That's what I'm saying. It's
Like
too far
just
out.
fucking straight.
It's like I don't have to look at that to know that I'm already long bias.
Right. That's
It
the
was
same
going
thing with
up
the
all
5 minute.
day
It's
with
like,
the 1 minute.
it's like maybe the 5 minute will help you like identify chop a little bit easier because you'll look and be like, all right, we're literally just fucking sitting in the same spot. But like, that's what I have the 15-minute opening range for. I just like draw that and I'm like, okay, we're chopping in the 15-minute opening range. Oh, hello, FFs. Take anything? No, I'm a big fat cuck bitch. I didn't. I drew this guy. I said I wanted to see it if this were to, because there's such a big flag. I'm like, oh, well, if it comes up to here, I want to see it reject, which it did here and here. But then we didn't put a bottom wick on this candle here, and then I was like, but I want to see a bottom wick, and then it shot up anyways, and I'm a fucking faggot, and I didn't take it. Because that would have been my 80 ticks, and I would have been back to even on the week, because I lost yesterday.
Weren't you talking about the weekly?
What?
This guy. This is the guy who brought up the weekly, and then he said no one looks at the weekly.
Oh, I don't know. You're the one fucking arguing with him.
I just don't know what he's getting at.
No one looks at a weekly chart, though. It's a weekly bias. What's the difference? How do you find a weekly bias without looking at the weekly chart? You what? You look at like the daily, and then you're like, I think we're gonna go here. Oh well. Now I'm definitely not taking a trade. Ugh.
I still just don't see the benefit of having a weekly bias. I don't even see the benefit of having a daily bias because my daily bias could still be bullish, and I could still buy shorts.
Yeah.
I just think having a bias prevents you from being fluid in trades, and it makes you so narrow-sighted into only thinking one thing. Say if yeah, but I just you could explain, but I'm just saying I'm never gonna be bullish throughout the week.
Yeah. Like you could sit there and be like the monthly and be like, well, I'm bullish all the time because the fucking stock market only goes up. I'm biased to liking Mike because he's white. All right, Tyrone, pipe down over there.
The only thing you're biased to is fucking losing every trade.
Oh my lord, no. That's rough.
I'm sorry, Tyrone. I'm sorry.
That's rough. Ugh.
I won today. I gotta talk shit.
Ugh.
Doesn't happen often.
Do. I want to go there. Basically, you're betting if it goes over the opening price or below it, bro. Yes, I am. Because if it goes up, guess what? It's probably going to continue to go up. And if it starts going down, it's going to, like what happened today. Shocking. We started going up. All I was doing, all this was looking for longs. And guess what? I didn't get in. But we're fucking at high of day still from where fucking we opened.
That's not a weekly bias. That's just seeing what the market's doing. I'm not looking at what it's gonna do all the week. Yeah, weekly sucks. Like I don't. There's no
How's that
point in going
weekly
into the.
bias? Like I literally sit there and open and I go, okay. And then if it goes down, I go, well, looks like I'm looking for shorts. And then it goes up and I go, well, looks like I'm looking for longs. The market could change. Yeah, it
So
can
you, like,
it can go up and down. That's all the market can do. And when it's going up, I want to follow it up. That's it. Like it's as simple as that. Like people are trying to like fucking predict shit. It's like
Yeah.
I'm just trying to follow it. If it wants to keep going up, I'm gonna keep looking for longs.
So would you go in like Monday and be like, I have a I have a bullish
Seems like
bias
an
for the whole
overkill.
week, and then you only take longs.
Yeah, that seems a little
Like, is that
crazy. It depends on what you're looking for points too. You have to remember we're only looking for 20 points. It's like if I'm trying to catch the fucking whole range where I'm like, all right, well, see that change in state, we get in right here, and now my stop loss
if that's
is
not what you're doing, then what's the point of having a weekly bias?
my stop loss here, and my take profits all the way down here. Like that's what people try to do. You can short above open price because that's where the market will go to. Yeah, I'm not trying to predict where the market will go to though. I'm just following where it's already going.
Yeah, but that short above the open price.
Yeah, like if the market's up here, great. I can look. I mean, I'll
Like, what are
short.
you supposed to
like,
look for? I don't know. Are you
like,
supposed to be
if the
looking for
market-
shorts right here?
If the market was way up here, like say, so that's opening. Like I'm not opposed to getting short down here if there was like a steep fucking dump off and it looks like we're downtrending now. I joined during a TISM fight. Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
It's just I'm trying to understand why you would even do it.
It depends on how many points you're trying to catch. If you're trying to catch 1,000 points, I think you should have a weekly bias, but that's about it.
It's just in general. I'm talking about having a
I'm
bias
so
in
offended.
general.
He's insulting me.
Yeah, I just think having a bias in general is such a bad mindset. Like it's such a common thing in trading, and I just don't understand why people have biases.
Oh, here comes the mediator, FFs. Just do what works for you. Shut the fuck up. No, I'm kidding.
I just think there's no benefit of having a bias. It just limits you.
FF's on my side.
You trade the 15-second.
Oh, he doesn't. He got yelled at by some guy who doesn't play 15 second because that guy
Oh.
came in. He's insecure because that guy came in and told him that he doesn't know what a volume imbalance is, even though that's what TraderBag does trades. And then he left.
Where's Music Madness hates Mike?
I haven't turned on the stake stream yet.
One of these things going downstairs.
Yeah, it's just I can see the market going up, so I'm gonna have a long bias, and as soon as it breaks, it starts making lower highs, I'm immediately turning my bias to bearish. Like, I don't need a weekly bias to tell me that. I can just look and see every 30 seconds or 30 minutes what my new bias is.
Right, no one really knows what the market is going to do, so weekly bias
I'm
is
long.
weighing up in placing a
Where'd you
bet.
get long at?
That's a bold spot to get long, Tyrone. 10-point stop. Push for the man. Is that TP? Did you do a 1-to-1? TP.
Wow.
Oh my god, he is the market maker.
Is that
Tyrone
the
was
first
using that weekly bias right there. That's why he won.
15 points? You made a 1.5 hour?
1 to 1.5. Is that easy? Big T with the banger. Oh Christ!
Is that the first dub that you've said on stream?
I think so. Alrighty, I do have to go though. So, I gotta go to the gym now because I got some shit to do later. So, let me just do my stake dollar real quick.
How much like money did you make in your Apex eval?
Daily dollar. Yes, sir.
Dude, I got absolutely fucked yesterday. It was outrageous.
Bye, FFs. Dude, you get fucked every day. It's just fucking blackjack. That's what happens.
No, it was extra fucked.
12 out of 10. 14. 24. Here we go.
You bet $1. Oh, I thought you bet $1.
Oh, no. Oh! Dude. What is that? I get bailed and then he pulls an ace, ace 9. I'm gonna double my bet. 16,
Oh,
24.
Music Madness. He's Mike.
Welcome, Music Madness. Oh my lord.
Dude, Crash is a scam. Wait, it's all a scam.
Alright, I'll play Crash.
You gotta go for a
I got my
$2.5.
$2 on 2x.
Do a 2.5x, so you have $5.
I can't change it now.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Alright, great. Yeah, great idea. I hate Crash. It's so stupid. Yeah, thanks, Oz. I didn't look at the weekly
Nice.
bias of fucking the Crash update to see where it was gonna go. Ugh. Crash is so stupid.
But you got in right after a green one.
Yeah, I was looking for one of those. It wasn't even a big green one.
You gotta wait for it's gonna look. Crash is so predictable. It's gonna fail again, and then it's gonna fail 3 times, and then the next one's gonna be a 2x plus. Like this one's gonna fail. Unsub. Yep. Now get it. This is gonna go. This is gonna be a 10x plus.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're a genius. 1.11. Yeah, alright. Shut up. Alright. I'm getting off. I gotta go. Peace out, people.